Hello students, welcome to the second part of our video Lessons from History, Famous Legal Battles and Their Impact on Today's Law. In our previous video, we saw 6 important cases. In today's video, we'll be discussing 7 more important cases that have actually brought in a lot of impact in today's law. So let's get into it. The first case that we will be discussing in today's video will be Lily Thomas and Union of India. This 2000 case talks about any member of parliament, MLA or MLC who has been convicted of a crime or has been punished with a minimum of 2 years of imprisonment shall be disqualified on immediate effect. Now, the idea of this is to cleanse politics by ensuring that convicted individuals cannot hold any office of profit or public office in general. The next most important case is the Aruna Singh case of 2011. This case brought in the issue of passive euthanasia in India, under which there have been strict guidelines acknowledging the right to die with dignity. Article 21 tries to talk about right to life or right to live with dignity. Similarly, we also have right to die with dignity, even though it is not mentioned, but it is an understood fact, and this is what was discussed in this case. The next important judgment or the next important case is the Nota judgment of 2013. Earlier to 2013, it was not that people could not decide right not to vote for their candidates, but the whole process was not secret enough, which was leading to a lot of controversies or lot of issues. That is where this Nota judgment of 2013 came into picture, where a compulsory inclusion of none of the above was added in the EV machines or the electronic voting machines. So this was basically to aim to empower the voters and increase the accountability among the political parties and candidates. So definitely try to study about this case as well. The fourth most important case, the fourth most, case that actually brought in the criminal law amendment, discussed the Juvenile Justice Act, spoke about the concept of zero FIR. This was the case of the brutal gang rape and murder of a woman in the capital of the country. The Nirbhaya gang rape case. The case prompted the introduction of Criminal Law Amendment Act of 2013, which introduced stricter punishment for sexual crimes and enhanced measures for the protection of women. This case also brought in the definition for gang rape in India. So definitely have a look at this case. The next is the Triple Talaq judgment of 2016. This case spoke about Talaqul Biddat, and the Supreme Court declared that form of divorce, the form of talaq, to be unconstitutional. The Shaira Bano case and the Union of India. Basically, this case also led to the enactment of Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Year 2019 Act, which criminalized the instant triple talaq. So without fail, have a look at this case as well. The next case that we are discussing is the Right to Privacy 2017 case, the landmark Justice Puttaswamy versus Union of India case. This case spoke about the right to privacy as a fundamental right. Finally, it was included as a fundamental right. And it emphasized on the protection of personal data and privacy in this digital age. The inclusion of data protection and surveillance was also done by this case. So definitely have a look at this. The final case for today's video will be the repealing of Section 377, the year 2018 case. This case was basically Navteej Singh Johar versus Union of India. And in this case, we could see that consensual homosexual adults or who are acting by reading down the Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. Here, the Supreme Court definitely tried to have a significant step towards inclusion and idea of human rights in India. So this case acted as a very progressive judgment in the recent times. Coming to the last part of video, It's a request to not only completely watch the video, check out the description section to go back to another videos, but also share this video with all your CLAT aspirant friends and all the other friends who definitely want to know some changes in the Indian Constitution, in the Indian judiciary. So definitely share this with all your friends. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe to the channel to get an awareness about more such informative content. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care and all the best.